teammate came out. Tina, you gonna help us find some? Oh, okay, bye, Tina.
Papaya and the turkey.
Hi, Turkey.
Hi.
Are you ready to help me today for our video?
Yeah.
All right, so today we're going to find the colors of the rainbow in nature.
Why are we gonna find at the rainbow?
I don't know. I think we have to go for a walk. You want to come on a walk with me? All right, let's go. We're going for a walk on this beautiful New England day. Whoa, show me. Whoa, let's look at it. What color is this?
Red and yellow.
Red and yellow, very good. Put it in the bucket. Ooh, look over here. What did I find? I found some flowers. What color are they, Turkey?
Orange.
They're orange. Come, let's pick one. Have some orange. Ah, here you go. Put it in your bucket.
Give it out.
Look, Tina came out. Tina, you gonna help us find some? Oh, okay, bye, Tina. What color is it?
Yellow.
What is it?
Yellow and brown.
Yellow and brown. I think we're gonna mark this as yellow. But Turkey, you made a great discovery. What do you see?
A beehive.
A beehive. There it is.
It's literally. What's inside of it?
There are bees inside, buzzing around. We're not gonna touch that thing. Ooh, what did you find? Oh, cool. You know what that is? It looks like a snake skin. And it's blue. We're not picking that up, though. But look, can you see all the scales?
Yeah. And
Wow.
And the mouth too.
And a mouth, too. I wonder if this is a snake that shed its skin or if one of the hawks ate it. What do you think? I don't know either. All right, let's go. Cool, look, I think I found purple. All right, you want to pick it?
Yeah.
Good job. Let's put it in our bucket.
Okay.
What color is this?
Pink.
Good job. And since this is our plant, we're going to pick the flowers. Pick one. You got it. Good job.
Can I open it up?
Sure. Ooh, now put it in your bucket. Go get those puddles. Go get them. Go jump in them. Go jump in them. Go jump in them. Yeah. Splash in that puddle. Yeah. Ooh, look down though. There's lots of colors in that puddle. You know what color I see that we don't have yet? Black. Oh, cool. I found some brown. Pine cones. Pick it on up. Put it in the bucket. Yay.
Mommy, look what I found.
What did you find?
A rock.
A rock. Wait, look at it. Let's decide what color it is. Let me see. Ooh, you know what I think it is? This can be gray.
Gray.
Look what I see. What color are the flowers? White. Good job.
Put it in my bucket.
Your wish is my command. All right, are you ready to look at all the colors we found today?
Yeah.
We found red.
Red.
We found, what is this color?
Orange.
We found orange, and we found, what is,
yellow.
that's yellow. That's
With
right.
the-
This is green. We found the blue snakeskin. Ah, come back! We found the blue snakeskin that I'm not picking up. We found this. What color is this, Turkey?
Purple.
Purple. We found this. What's this one?
Pink.
It's the pink flower. We found this pine cone. What color is it?
I don't know.
It's brown.
Red.
Ah, come back! And we found a white flower. We also found a gray rock and the black asphalt. Found all these colors today. Hi, Turkey.
Hi.
Did you have fun finding the rainbow today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did we find all the colors today?
Yeah.
We did. Hi, guys.
Hi.
If you liked our video, We want you to give us a thumbs up. Click on that thumbs up and click on that red subscribe button. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. You know you want to dance with us. Tina, say bye.